Ngemva komdlalo wangesonto iSAFA yajuba lo wabengunompempe uAce Ncobo ukuba ahlaziye inqumo ezathathwa unompempe kulomdlalo. Wathola ukuthi uMagwet Ndiaye waseSenegal wathatha inqumo eyinga-33 eyingafanele eyigamekweni eyinga-70 nomuvo. Kuzo zintathu nje kuphela ezayingavuni iGhana, kanti umphumela womdlalo wadalwa isinqumo sepenalty esasingaqondakali. Yize iSAFA ingagxili kakhulu kulesinqumo, lenhlangano ithi nobufakazi bokuthi isinqumo sokunikeza iGhana ipenalty sathathwa ngaphambi kokuqala komdlalo.
What we have done here is not to look at just the correctness or otherwise of a referee's decision and its particular influence on the outcome of the match. What we have sought to do as a strategic objective of this task is to prove that there was a definite pattern of bias.
iSAFA ithi njengoba iyilungu leFIFA inomsebenzi wokuqinisekisa ukuthi kuvikelwa ubuqotho balomdlalo.
Our responsibility as SAFA National Association is to recognize first whether there's any bias that we can prove against our team. Two, we have to resist and expose such bias. And thirdly, is to report it to FIFA. Any match manipulation involving our national teams or FIFA competitions.
Abadlali nabo baphawulile ngokwenzeka eGhana kanye nendlela abaphathwa ngayo.
Throughout the qualifiers, the ball boys did not have the balls in their hand. The balls were on the cones. But in this specific game, the ball boys had the balls in their hand, which was, unheard of, in this qualifiers. And whenever the ball would go out, they would obviously restart the ball very quickly. They would throw it back quickly. But the moment they scored, the ball boys disappeared.
This is a good bunch of players that, I've been with. And it hurts to, go out like this, but we learn and grow from this.
Kusenjalo iCAF isiqinisekisile ukuthi ithole isikhalo ezivela kuSAFA kanti iFIFA yona ibingakaphawuli. iSAFA ithi izohlinzeka eFIFA ngobunye ubufakazi ukuze ibe necala eliqinile.